Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word without using Microsoft 365. Now, when we come to saying that, it might not sound logical. It's like saying launching League of Legends without having Riot Games, or launching, for example, any game of Steam without having Steam downloaded. But for this case of study, we can actually have it done. How? Well, we are simply going to use a CRACK, which is the word. I'm not going to spell it since YouTube can ban the channel. But anyway, we are going to somehow do it with Microsoft Word. So here it is the way that we can do it. Now we are going to actually download Office without downloading Office 365. To do so, you simply have to open the PowerShell on your PC, just like that, and then paste this command. As you can see, type this, and in case you would like to, when you type this, it will give you two options to tap either one or two. In case you tap one, you will activate your Windows. In case you have tapped two, you will activate the Office. So the next thing to do is to simply tap 2 and it will have Office activated. So in case you had a CRACK version of Word, you can have it used without having the Microsoft 365. So as you can see, for my case, I do have it without it. So this is how you can actually use the Microsoft Word in 2025 without using the Microsoft 365. Thank you guys a lot for watching. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. We'll try our best to cover every single problem that you have. So with that being said, if you do have this command that I have shown you working, make sure to drop a like and see you guys in the next video.